Well, what's up guys, Chigs here from Chigs Tech Reviews. So I just got my hands on a brand new gaming chair. So this is the Quersus Evos E301. First and foremost, it's a very good looking chair and the headrest cushion can be customized with your own logo. You have built-in lumbar support, multi-position armrests, non-scratching wheels, metal star base with the usual gas lift to adjust the height, and it's reclinable. I was previously using the Songmikes gaming chair, and to be honest, the Quersus Evos is much better than the Songmikes in every possible way. Much more comfortable and a trillion times more attractive. Also, the new Quersus chair is surprisingly easy to assemble. You will not need any help from any other person. You can assemble it by yourself and it's a very clever design. So let's just go ahead and have a look at the assembly video. So that was my new upgrade, the Quersus Evos E301, and I'm loving it so far. The links are in the description for you to check out, and I'll see you all in the next one. Have a brilliant day.